say hi to my vlog. Eva, say hi. So we are going to Daman for the weekend.
Yes.
I'm vlogging this. Say hi, Eva.
Eva?
Come here. Say hi. We made an impromptu plan to visit Daman, and it was a very short trip but a very exciting one. It's been 3 hours and we're still on our way. So after 3.5 hours we finally reached Daman. We just stopped at a wine shop to pick up some, you know what, and then we're heading to a grocery store to pick up some snacks because the food situation here is pretty tough. You don't really get a lot of food from Swiggy, Zomato. You may have to step out and go to a beach restaurant or something. So we usually try to stock up on snacks whenever we come here. And Eva is missing her dad, so she's staring out of the window, making sure that he doesn't go anywhere. She's obsessed with Malik. So yeah. Stay tuned and I'm gonna take you through my weekend in Daman. One from the grocery store?
Chips, some water, 5-liter water bottle.
Well, I won't be able to carry so much alone. I'll call you once I'm done.
Okay, no, the counter is right.
Chips, 5-liter bottle and?
Something healthy also.
We have ramen, cup noodles.
That's not ramen. It's instant noodles.
Okay, cool. I'll call you once I'm done. Bye. Grocery shopping as an adult feels like my favorite thing to do, and I was trying a lot to control myself from buying any chips, and I succeeded. It's a video, not an image. Hello. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Eva, are you ready? Okay, she can't wait to get down. You keep her and come first, and we'll take all the luggage.
There's
Her
no leash.
must have fallen पीछे. देख लो. इधर ही नीचे होगा. Eva, रुक जा. But she can't wait. Okay, the frame is just her tail right now. Ew, you are so excited. Okay, go with her, then come back again.
No.
How do you want to do this then? We have way too much luggage and Eva with us. Eva! Eva! Say hi, Mala. Hey, should I leave her?
Yeah.
We are eight. That is Eva looking really happy. The house is really dusty though, so we'll have to figure a way to clean it. The best part of the house is this balcony that overlooks the sea. Is it overlook or oversea? Overlook, right? Overlooks the sea.
You can actually go out.
I will. Nice. Wow. Eva! Eva! Don't! I'm scared that she's gonna fall off the grill. But look at that! It's amazing! Can you see the beach though? I zoom in a bit. You see that? This short escape from the city was very much needed. Especially we wanted to do something for Eva where she could just run around freely. We were a bit upset when we got to know that the beach was shut, but wait till the end of the video for the surprise and what we got to find out. We actually ended up enjoying a lot in the last few minutes of our trip. I am in love with this view. Let me just flip my camera and show it to you all again. And if you can hear a sound of a bird, that's, I think, the peacock. This is the view. There's because of some reason the beach is shut today. We are not allowed to go there today. It's blocked. I think there's some neta coming, or it also could be because of the holidays. It gets too crowded. But hopefully tomorrow it'll be open and we'll be able to go in the morning. You hear that sound? That's the peacock. We spent most of our time just staying at home, enjoying the view, loving the sunset, and it was so beautiful. I wish I could live there forever, and because all the content I would make would turn out so amazing. Last few minutes of the sunset. Can't get over this view. So beautiful. See that yellow object? It's the sun, sorry, orange. This is me just chilling with Eva. I absolutely love irritating her. You must have already realized that by now. It's 8:50 right now and we're just heading out for dinner. And we're going to a Parsi restaurant, which is pet friendly, so we're also taking Eva. This is the first time I'm properly vlogging everything, and I'm sorry if I keep looking here and there because I forget where to see. I have to look at the lens, but I keep looking at the screen, so I'll take some time to get used to this. We are stuck in traffic because there's some Neta passing, and we missed the Daman.
No idea.
Yes, you did. We reached the place we wanted to eat at, but unfortunately there were so many mosquitoes there that I just couldn't sit for too long. We had to get a takeaway and leave as soon as possible. Malik has just gone to pee and Eva is going crazy. She thinks that he's not gonna come back. What is this? She keeps looking there where the washroom is. Come, Eva, come. So we decided to take
Rohini decided to take
pack and take
Pack
the
it.
food because there are too many mosquitoes here and I'm not able to sit comfortably. So if you're coming here, please be there.
please
Last
just get
time we
Odomos.
didn't face this issue because we were sitting on the roof. Maybe that's why, but this too many mosquitoes. We just got done with eating and Eva is being a nuisance. She's not eating anything. We gave her chicken biryani for dogs, but she's still not eating that. We gave her some paneer. She ate half of it. We gave her some biscuits. She had a little bit. Now she's guarding her food and not letting us go near her plate. So we're just figuring what to do. This was me the next morning, all ready to leave, and we stayed there for a really short but fulfilling time. Malik, how are you feeling that we're leaving now?
Bit sad.
We just came and left. We
Bit
didn't
sad
do
that we
anything.
couldn't go to the beach.
Getting ready to leave. Say bye.
Bye.
So guess what? They've opened up the beach
Hey.
right when we're about to leave. Like, what luck? What is this luck? We're just taking one round and then we will go, I guess.
I guess.
I guess.
Sure you just want to do that?
What else? See, she also got excited.
It's like
She's
beach.
here. And we've decided to go to the beach just for Eva. So,
A little bit.
Eva! Are you excited, Eva? Are you excited? I was a bit skeptical in the start to go to the beach because I thought it'll be really hot, but Eva was so happy. She was literally rolling on the sand. She doesn't like the water that much, but the sand and the beach is something that she loves, and if you have a pet, you have to get them to such places. If you guys have pets, please get them to such secluded beaches because I can guarantee they're gonna have the time of their lives. So. just walked to the closest stairs, which is like really far away. The sand is hot. Sorry if I'm acting weird, but it's really hot sand, and I'm so glad we came here. It was wonderful. A very short trip, but a very fun trip, and I'm really glad we got Eva here. I think the last few moments were really fun for her. Hello, is this the ride for me? Here's a glimpse of Eva being all dirty. Oh shit, I don't think you'll understand like this.
Yeah.
Yep, there.
Covered the back seat in a bed sheet. That
After 40 minutes hardly.
yeah.
We went to Parsi Dairy Farm to have lunch, and this is a place we always go to whenever we travel. I'm the only one who comes here to have pani puri. Monica has ordered some Parsi gotala, right?
Yes.
Parsi gotala, and I've ordered shark. It's veg but looks yummy. And this is doodh puff. It's very famous here at the restaurant. So let's see that.
Let me see if I
Eva, are you chilling? We're just going to take one round in the farm. I'll just show you what all they have. What? This is it? You see they have these different plots with herbs that they grow. So this is mint, that's coriander but it's empty, that's bottle gourd. Oh, this is lemongrass. Looks amazing. Lemongrass is full, so is mint. That's bottle gourd. This is empty though. I am not sure why Eva is excited. That's drumsticks. This is what? Onion. And that's beetroot there. Ladyfinger is again all empty. Oh, those are chilies. And that's carrot. Chilies तो एकदम ठीक से दिख रहा है, red chilies. This is carrot. Brinjal. I can see some. Nice, yeah. They make their own produce and cook with some fresh produce. That's nice. Tomatoes, cabbage, coriander again, spinach. What is this? Horse people. There's some cute horses as well. Oh, this is. These trees are.
mango. चलो हो गया.
Hello. This one's eating, so let's not disturb him. Hello, horsey. Look at him, he's coming so close. Is he posing for the camera, or I'm sorry, I'm not disturbing you. Okay, bye. That's scary. chicks and hens as well. I'll hold her. Eva is so excited. What are these creatures? I thought I'm the only creature.
Oh, this is it back only.
What Karya ice cream?
We should do something fun today.
Eva,
Pickiest doggo.
Some kind of holiday. What do you want to do?
इसको नहीं चाहिए बाबा.
Don't we have yoga? Oh my god, we can do yoga at home.
Eva.
She doesn't want. Let it be. We are finally back home and I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you for watching, and that's Smolik. That is Eva saying bye. Eva, she's too excited. Bye.